Jade, Bensis, may God bless your union and guide you both as you walk hand in hand. Sabi nga, what God has joined together, let no one separate. So, walang makapaghihiwalay sa inyo. May your marriage be filled with His peace and grace. Again, congratulations! Sobrang happy kami sa inyong dalawa.
Yes, Jade at saka Bensis, no, congratulations on your wedding day. Bagaman malayo kami sa inyo, but of course kami nakikisaya, nakikigala kami sa inyong araw na ito. No? Ang aking dalangin at sana ay yung inyong pagsasama ay mas magiging sweeter pa as the days go by. Ano? Sabi nga ay unless lang talaga na ilagay niyo si Lord, no, sa gitna ng inyong relationship, ay ang inyong pagsasama ay mas lalo pang magiging masaya. No? Kaya palagi magkalimutan na iligay si Lord sa sentro ng inyong relasyon, dahil kung si Lord ang inyong kasama, walang pagsubok na hindi nyo mapaglalampasan. Kasi ang buhay may asawa ay hindi palaging maayos. Minsan may mga challenges din, pero pagkasama niyo si Lord, sabi nga ay walang malaki na hindi kaya basta kasama si Lord. So congratulations ulit, at kami po ay nakikigulak sa araw na ito, sa inyong araw ng pag-iisang dibdib. Yan.
Again, congratulations!
So from sa aming pamilya, at ganoon din sa pamilya dito sa Toyokawa Outreach, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. God bless you.
Congratulations! First of all, sorry kasi hindi kami physically nandyan to attend your wedding. Pero know that we are with you spiritually. Na palagi namin kayong pinagdadasal. Palagi kayong pinagdadasal ng YC, and miss na kayo ng YC. We hope and we pray na masaya and mag-e-enjoy at nag-e-enjoy kayo sa wedding niyo from pre pa lang hanggang sa pakatapusan ng wedding niyo. Our prayers are with you and miss na naman kayo. Yun lang.
Bye!
Happy wedding, Ate Nicole and Kuya Bensis. Wishing you both the lifetime of love, happiness, and togetherness. May your journey filled with love and joy. Beautiful memories. Congratulations!
Nicole! Best wishes sa imong kasal! Domo ni Benses! Welcome to motherhood! Oh, nami bisita!
Congratulations, Bensis and Jade. Mag-enjoy kayo sa araw nyo ngayon. And congrats again. We love you.
Hi, Bensis and Jade. Congratulations on your wedding day. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness together.
Congratulations, Tita Bensis, Tita Jade.
Congratulations, Bensis and Jade! Sayang wala kami dyan, but we are with you in prayers, and we are hoping na happy kayo. Celebrate your day. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy.
Hi, Benz and Jade. Congratulations. We love you. Best wishes.
Congratulations, Jade and Bensis. Wish you all the best and God bless. Ito lang kami wise. Tawa ng tawa.
Congratulations. Wishing you both a happy life together and a long marriage.
Hi Nicole! Congrats sa inyong Don Vinces. Padayon sa bagong journey sa inyong kinabuhi. Mabansa umaabot ninyong mga anak, and God bless you always.
Happy wedding, Princess and Nicole. Sana ngayon mayroon na kayong anak, palakihin nyo ng maayos at magkaroon kayo ng masayang pamilya. God bless and congratulations.
Happy wedding, Ate Jade and Kuya Bensis. Best wishes to the both of you. Welcome to motherhood.